Recently, Jasmy has been dropping down, and in this video, we are going to be covering what's next for Jasmy. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one, we are going to be taking a look at Jasmy once again because I believe that something huge is going to be happening very soon, and right now is a perfect opportunity to look at the project if you haven't already. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total, and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Jasmy, and I have revised the overall Fibonacci retracement level so that you guys know exactly what I'm trying to say. So guys, the previous most important resistance level was this gray line right over here, which was also the wave 2 bottom. Now this came in at a price of about 0.004162. Now as you can see, we saw quite of a resistance building up right over here, and we saw some resistance right over here as well, but we saw an immediate fall towards the downside where we even came close to touch our next resistance level at a price of about 0.0028. I'm sorry, I'm saying next resistance level, but indeed it's a support level. Now guys, this support level is one of the most important support levels out there, because if you check out the previous time when we reached this level, this was a time when I still believe this was the previous bear market low. Now as you can see that this was the previous bear market low, and we have come quite close to where as compared to these points right over here, and we are closer to where, and right now there's a possibility that even a new bear market low might be ever formed. Now guys, I personally think that that is highly unlikely, but I'm not really against the fact that a new bear market low can be made. However guys, for all of you investors looking out there, who are getting really upset because Jasmy is down by roughly, how much if we do it like that, it's down by roughly 58% if you had bought in at the wave top. So I assume that you guys are down pretty bad considering if you had invested in the past couple of months or so. But even still guys, I would personally recommend you to stack up as many Jasmy coins as you want to, because guys, as of this moment I am personally buying Jasmy coin because I believe in this project for the longer term outlook. And it's not like only Jasmy is falling, Gala Games is falling, heck, even Bitcoin and Ethereum are also falling. So I mean, for Gala Games to fall, I have personally no sort of any issues with that. And even if Jasmy is falling, I'm not really concerned because I have invested into Jasmy for the longer time frames. And this minor drop towards the downside won't really make me exit out of the project completely. Instead, this is a just time to DCA another sum of my money into Jasmy and get in at the lower price points, because people are going to be buying at these price points, but they are going to be really afraid of buying at these price points. This is what exactly happens in crypto, and if you guys don't really want to buy in right now, you guys are one of those ones as well. Because if you guys are not buying right now, don't tell me that the thought of you buying when the price came in right over here did not make you to buy it even more. Because I have heard those mentality a couple of times myself as well. People say that whenever coins rides up this much, they only want to take, let's say, about a 10% profit because they believe that a coin can get up to these highs as well. But as you can see that if you had bought in right over here hoping for a 10% gain towards the upside, you would have probably lost on all of this momentum right over here, and now you would have been down by about 90 or 60%, 70%, if something like that. Now guys, the most important resistance level for Jasmy to hold is this gray line right over here. Now I know a lot of you all might be saying that, hey, if we go beyond this, what's gonna happen? Well guys, the thing's pretty much simple. If we go down below this level, you can be expecting another bear market low for Jasmy. Now guys, if I show you all the MACD indicator, you will be able to see that even though we got this sort of selling pressure right over here, this selling pressure was nothing as compared to the selling pressure which we had gotten at the previous two instances. So right away you can see that we got a huge fall right over here, and we saw this huge selling pressure supporting it as well. Again, right over here you can see we got some sort of selling pressure, and we saw some huge candles right over here as well. However guys, even though we have just dropped down out of a crucial support area, we haven't really seen that sort of a selling pressure. Now this is a practical bullish thing for Jasmy in general, because the selling pressure is not really supporting the movement Jasmy is making at this point. Now I personally believe this can also be a fake out towards the upside, but who knows, only time is going to be telling us how this market is going to be playing out in the shorter time frames. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, make sure you guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the description. Now guys, in my trade signal group, I post my personal trade setups which have helped me to make some serious amounts of money in the past couple of months. This is an example of some of the trades which we had taken, and as you can see on the last two trades, we were profitable on every single one of the time. On one of the trades we got a profit of 380%, while on other we got a profit of 131%. Now guys, this right over here is an example of a trade signal which I post within my trade signal group. So right over here you can see that, right, first of all I mentioned the type of position I am taking. So if I'm taking a long position or short position, after that I mentioned the amount of risk that is involved while taking the trade. After that I mentioned the token and the leverage which we are using in order to trade it, the entry price where you guys should be entering the trade at, and the target price or the take profit levels where you guys should be exiting your positions at. We have been really profitable within my trade signal group. This is just the results of our last month. So if you guys want to know more about it, make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. My trade signal group is about $30 per month, but I truly believe the value you guys will be receiving is beyond any of your expectations. I personally believe that if you only follow my trade signals for about just like one or two trades, you guys are going to be making back your money pretty much easily, and that is a great investment in yourself. As of this moment, my trade signal group is $30 per month. The link to it will be first link in the description. So make sure you guys sign up as soon as possible. And yeah guys, that's going to be pretty much it from this video. I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace out.